Encountering a no signal message on your Sceptre curved monitor can be frustrating, but the good news is that it's often fixable with some systematic troubleshooting. First, let's understand the common causes. Connection problems account for 60% of cases, including loose or damaged cables and incorrect input source selection. Power issues make up 25%, graphics driver conflicts 10%, and hardware failures only 5%. Begin with basic diagnostics using the power cycle method. First, disconnect all cables from your monitor. Then, hold the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. Next, reconnect only the power cable and test the on-screen display menu using the monitor's physical buttons. If the on-screen display menu appears, the issue likely lies with the input signal. If no menu appears, you may have a power or hardware problem. Next, verify your cable connections systematically. Test with known working cables, try different input ports such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort, and use different source devices to rule out cable or port damage. Remember, 78% of Sceptre monitor issues are connection-related, so thorough cable verification often resolves the problem. These basic diagnostic steps will help you identify whether your no-signal issue stems from power, connection, or input problems, setting you up for successful troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions are needed. First, access your monitor's built-in menu using the physical buttons to manually select the correct input source. For PC users experiencing display issues, boot into safe mode to reset display settings. This allows you to start with basic display drivers and gradually adjust resolution and refresh rate settings. For persistent driver issues, use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, to completely remove existing graphics drivers before installing fresh ones from the manufacturer's website. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Use certified cables appropriate for your resolution and refresh rate. Avoid excessive bending and keep cables away from power sources to reduce interference. For future-proofing, invest in monitors with multiple input options and USB-C connectivity. Regular driver updates and choosing monitors with firmware update capabilities will help prevent compatibility issues.